What's up, guys? Welcome back by the channel. I'm William, if you don't know me already, and you're at WW Mods. Guys, it's a beautiful day today. We got the Camaro out. We're gonna do a couple of pulls. It's been all work and no play with the Camaro as of late. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna play a little bit. I just came out of the laser wash. We're gonna take her, we're gonna wipe her down, get all the water spots off, because you know how black loves water spots, and then we're gonna go have a little fun. So guys, stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, guys, got the car wiped down, put some tire black on, wiped that down. Man, it's really windy today, and be surprised at how cool that area is when you get out and you're standing in the shade wiping the car down. But anyway, this video is going to be a little playtime with the Camaro, like I said, and I want to do a few pulls. I got a private parking lot I go to where nobody's around, that doesn't interfere with anything, and it's just me and the car out there, so we're not talking about anybody getting hurt. So I'm going to head over there, but in the meantime, while I get there, I want to talk to you guys about what's going to be the next step on the Camaro. I mean, I've done about as much body work as I really want to do to it. I put the new rims on it. I don't need tires right now, although, you know, I mean, it wouldn't hurt to get some with some better grip, but that's not a main thing right now, because like I say, this isn't my daily driver. I only drive the car on the weekends and only when it's not raining. So it's pretty much babied and in the garage most of the time anyway. As a matter of fact, I really need to give it a good car wash instead of taking it through the laser wash, because we all know the laser wash does okay, but it does not take the place of a good hand washing and detailing. It's just a quick little spray off to help things along the way, because I don't know where you're at, but in North Carolina, the pollen season here is terrible. Like this time of year, if the car sits outside, it sits outside the garage, I come back in 20 minutes and there's this yellow film all over the car. So, you know, and it's black and you can really see it. So it's really a pain in the butt to do all that trouble hand washing it, and then 20 minutes later, the car looks like it's been through a dust storm with yellow pollen all over it. So I kind of cheat the system a little bit, run it through the laser car wash, wipe it down. It keeps it clean for a little while, but it'll have pollen on it by the time I get back to the garage today and get the car put up. So it's kind of like a never-ending battle. But anyway, guys, what I wanted to talk about is what do you think I should do to the Camaro next? So 2019 2SS, and I know a lot of you guys don't like where they moved the flow tie and on that front bumper. But I mean, I really like it. You either like it or you hate it, and I like it. So it is what it is. But I've done all I'm going to do to the body of it, I believe. So now it's time to start working on the engine. So what do you think the next step is? I've already done a cold air intake. I've already put a little simple tune on it. I've already put a catch can on it. So it's time to start doing some performance mods now, the way I look at it. We beefed it up a little bit, and like I say, I would like to have 600 horsepower, but that's not going to be my main thing, because I'm not going to drag the car. I'm not going to take the car out to the drag strip and race it or anything like that. I just want it to be fast when I need it to be fast, and still be able to drive it around town. So what should I do next? Ported throttle body, ported intake. I'm not looking really to put a supercharger on it or a Pro Charger. It's just going to cost, it's probably over my experience level on working on vehicles, which I could probably figure it out, but still, I don't know if I want to go that much money. I would like to do a throttle body and probably port the intake. I can do that, you know, I can buy that and put that on myself. That's you know, that's no big deal. And at some point, I'd like to put a cam in it, not not a big can where it sits there and just lopes the whole time it's sitting there running, but I'd like to put, like, you know, not the base cam it's got in it, just go up maybe a step or two, or like the middle of the road, and not the high-end drag strip type cam. So if you have any suggestions on what throttle body I need to buy, or what what type of ported intake I need to buy, I really haven't started researching those, so I really don't know what to get. Like I say, this is a 2019 2SS Camaro. I haven't really done anything to the engine other than cold air intake, oil catch can, and a simple tune for the cold air intake. So, like I say, throttle body type to buy. If you've got any suggestions, let me know. Ported intake, I don't know which one to buy. Like I say, if you could drop me suggestions down below, I'd appreciate it. But with all that out of the way, guys, we're going to go over to our little private parking lot area, and we're going to have a little fun with Camaro. So let's get at it. Alright guys, I'm here at my little private little drag strip is what I call it, and we're going to, my best time was 4.4 seconds, and I can't remember when that was. So anyway, we're going to try it. Here's going to be the first takeoff. Traction control is on, and we're going to track mode. Alright guys, 0 to 60, first test. Tire's fairly warm, so we'll see how it works. Well, we had a lot of spin coming out of the hole. 4.9. All right, second run, 0 to 60. We were 4.9 that first one. We're in track mode, and we are set to go. Tenth of a second, a whole tenth of a second faster that time. 4.8. I mean, I don't think it's going to make much difference, but we're going to try it in sport mode. See what happens. We're going to reset our timer. Ready to go. Still ain't nowhere near that 4.4. I guess it must have been cold or really hot that day. I'm not sure when I was able to get that 4.4 seconds, but all right, sports mode, 0 to 60, dead stop. Four 4.7 that time. We're going to do 2. All right. Gonna reset. Ready to go. Sports mode. Second run. Same time again, 4.7. All right, now let's do simple touring mode and see what we get. We are ready to go. Touring mode, first run. 4.8. Well, looks like sports mode's been the time to beat at 4.7. It's hard to believe I'm not leaving any black marks. Alright, I'm gonna check something right quick. We're gonna make an adjustment to our throttle response. And see if that makes a difference. I don't really think it will. Alright, back in sports mode again. Third run, change the throttle response. Alright, ready, go. See, it's a consistent 4.7. Let's see, what can we do? Let's try something else here. Sorry, I'm thirsty. Alright, clear it, ready. 0 to 60, throttle response all the way up in sport. I don't think it's going to make a difference, but let's try it. Here we go. Doing too much spinning out the hole. Let's try track mode again, and I'm going to turn off the traction control. This is probably gonna make the car do a really bad time, because we're gonna really be doing a lot of spinning. But why not? I'll give it one try. A lot of spinning. No better time. Still 4.8. Well guys, we made it back home. That's gonna about do it for this video. Don't forget to drop me some comments in the links. Well, sorry, drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you would do to the Camaro next to get a little more horsepower out of her. So guys, with all that being said, thanks for your time. Appreciate you watching. Hit that like and that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.